All right, we are on lesson 3.1, and it's pretty much the easiest lesson in the world. We're on page 143 in your book. Remember, it's 3.1, and we're only doing number 2, number 3, and number 4. You probably need to take notes. And the notes you need to take is integer. And the word integer is a whole number. Okay, it doesn't have a fraction, doesn't have a decimal, it's just a whole number. But what is important is that this integer can be either positive or negative. So on number 2, it gives you the number 3 as an example, okay? And then it wants you to put it on the number line, and it wants you to tell what the opposite of it is. The number line, I feel, is a waste of time. So it is asking for the opposite of 3. The opposite of 3 is negative 3. Pretty simple, right? You're just taking a positive and you're putting it into a negative. Number 3, it wants to know the opposite of 10. That is a positive number, so the opposite of that would be negative 10. On number 4, it gives you the example of negative 8. What is the opposite of negative 8? It would be positive 8. When you're writing a positive number, you don't need to put the positive sign in front of it, you just write the regular number. Okay, you need to take some notes to help you with your worksheet. On the front of your worksheet, you're not going to have a problem with that. Just do all of the ones on the front. It's not going to be a problem. The ones on the back are a little bit tricky. If it gives you negative 4 in parentheses, and if it asks for the opposite of it, opposite of negative 4, your answer is going to be 4. Okay? If it gives you this, these cancel each other out. Anytime there is an even amount of negative symbols, they cancel each other out. So this, since there's 2, they cancel each other out, so it's going to be a positive 4. If I did negative, negative, negative 4, it's an odd number, so the answer would be negative 4. Okay? Even numbers makes it positive. Odd numbers such as 3 make it a negative again. Okay? Also, you can put this in your notes. It's going to say opposite of opposite. It's going to try and trick you. Of negative 4. Okay, opposite of negative 4. Let's just take it one step at a time. What is the opposite of negative 4? Oh, it's a positive 4. And now let's take the opposite of that. Opposite of positive 4. Your final answer will be negative 4. Just take it one step at a time. So if it says opposite of opposite, first do the first half, find your number, then do the second half and find your number. I will show you which ones you need to do. On the front, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Remember, ignore the lines, just give me the opposite of the integer. Okay, doing all of the front, and on the back, since it's a lot of work, you can only do the top half. I'm not going to count the bottom half. Again, you don't need to do this number line, and you don't need to solve for the riddle or whatever. I just want you to write the answers in these boxes. Okay. So this one says opposite of negative 3. I'll give you this one to you. The answer is just 3. Okay, good luck. Be amazing. Have a wonderful day.